So this video is going to be closet organization hacks. I really hope that you all will enjoy it. My name is Chloe. If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed. I make lifestyle videos. I hope to just help some of you guys out by giving you guys some organization hacks. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. It looks like this, not like this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. This first life hack only uses command strip hooks, which aren't even that expensive, and it's going to help you get ready so much faster in the morning. So our first hook, we're going to place pretty close to the top of our closet door, on the inside of course. The second one, we're going to use our jeans or pants as a guide to know where to hang the second one so that our pants aren't hanging on the floor. My third one, I'm using it for my purse, but you can use this for jewelry, accessories, or whatever you want to hang on it. Just make sure you don't hang anything too heavy on them for at least 24 hours to make sure that they are stuck really well to your door. And this is so amazing, guys. You can hang your outfit on the inside of your closet. First of all, reduces clutter in your room. Second of all, it's gonna help you get ready so much faster because you can hang up your outfit the night before. Third, it helps you see what your outfit looks like before you actually put it all on. Am I the only one that tries on outfits and then I don't like it, so then I have to change like 5 times? Well, problem solved. The second life hack is seriously so easy, but it's just having bins/organizers that match/go together. In my case, they're all wire baskets and they're all the same color. So here was my closet before I added lighting inside of it, and that's not edited or anything like that. And here's the after, also not edited. All I did was use Christmas lights and push pins, which you use for a corkboard. You could also use nails if you're allowed to use that, or you could even use command strip hooks. This seriously made such a difference in my closet, and I'm in love with Christmas lights anyway, so it's a win-win. I also use command hooks in the back of my closet so that way I can hang up backpacks and things I don't want to be visible. And then I also have this wooden shelf thing that my dad made me in the bottom of my closet, which holds just more baskets with clothes and stuff, and then my shoes are on the floor. This next hack is so easy and inexpensive, but it's just to get a multiple pant hanger. I found this one at Walmart for like $3 or $4. I think I have 3 or 4 of them in my closet, but you can hang up to 6 pairs of pants on these, and it's seriously a humongous space saver. Another thing that really helps your closet look more organized is having matching hangers. Mine aren't completely matching because I ran out of the non-slip hangers, but they are similar. They're at least all black, and this seriously makes such a difference. Pro tip, if you have enough space in your room, then get a clothes rack for your room because this will save you so much space in your closet too. Another quick and simple hack is with a pop tab. You can also make a dual hanger or double hanger with these. So just take 2 hangers, put the pop tab around one of the hooks of the hanger, and then put the other hook of the hanger through the second hole. Just watch what I'm doing. It's much easier to watch than it is for me to explain it. But this is just a really quick and simple way to create a double hanger if you need more space in your closet. This final hack is great if you have clothes that fall off the hanger or if you have sweaters and you don't want to get holes in them from the hanger. So all you're going to do is fold your shirt in half or your cami or sweater, whatever it is, and then just fold it around the hanger like this. It's much easier if you guys just watch my example. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As I said, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below if you're interested in what I do here on this channel. And yeah, make sure to like this video. And I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great rest of your week. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!